You are welcome again. Let's see number 5. It says solve the index equation 2 raised to power 2x minus 1 all over 4 of 8 raised to power x, close the bracket, is equal to 0. Okay? Please pay attention and see what we're going to do, okay? It's very simple. Now we have 2 raised to power 2x minus 1 all over 4, open bracket, 8 all over raised to power x, close the bracket, equal to 0. Alright, let's see what we're going to do. Let's work on this second term. So let's open the bracket. Alright, now we're going to have 2 raised to power 2x minus, we have 1 times 8 raised to power x. It will give you 8 raised to power x all over 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have 2 raised to power 2x minus 8 raised to power x all over 4 is equal to 0. So we want to remove this 4. Let everything be linear. So we're going to multiply through by 4. We're going to multiply everything by 4 so that everything will be what? In one line, will be linear. So we're going to have 2 raised to power 2x times 4 minus 8 raised to power x all over 4 times 4 is equal to 0. When you say 0 times 4, it will still give you 0, okay? Now let's leave it like that. Now let's go. We're going to have, in this first term, please don't multiply. Put it like this. We'll have 4, you open bracket, 2 raised to power 2x, close the bracket, minus, this 4 will cancel the base, okay? Sorry, the denominator, alright? So the numerator will remain. We'll have minus 8 raised to power x is equal to 0, okay? Good. Let's go. We're going to have 4, open bracket, 2 raised to power x. Now let's take 2 to outside. So we'll have 2 raised to power x, close the bracket, raised to power 2. Then minus this 8, let's reduce it to base 2. So we're going to have 2 raised to power 3. And then that 3 multiply the x, it will give you 3x. Now it's equal to 0. Okay? Now we have 4, open bracket, 2 raised to power x, close the bracket, raised to power 2, minus, we have 2 raised to power x. Now let's take 3 outside. We have in bracket raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Now from here, we can simply say, let 2 raised to power x equal to p. You can simply say what? Let 2 raised to power x equal to p. Now from here we have 4p squared minus p cubed is equal to 0. 4p squared minus p cubed is equal to 0. From here, let's factor out. What do they have in common? They have p squared in common. So we'll factor out p squared in 4p squared. We'll have we'll have 4 remaining. Then we'll factor out p squared in p cubed. We'll have p remaining. So that when you say p squared multiplied by 4, it will give you 4p squared. Then p squared multiplied by p to give you p cubed. Then equal to 0. Alright? Now we'll say p squared is equal to 0 or 4 minus p is equal to 0. Alright? Now, we are looking for p, not p squared. So we'll take the square of both sides. So it will still give you p is equal to 0. Or we have minus p is equal to, let's take 4 to the other side. It's going to be is equal to minus 4. So we divide both sides by minus 1. That is to remove the minus in p. So we have p is equal to 4. Now let's go. But you remember that we say let 2 raised to power x equal to p. Alright? And then you discover that p can never be 0 and p can never be negative. Alright? In our solving, can never be 0 or negative. So let's work with the second term. So we'll have 2 raised to power x is equal to 4. Okay? Now we have 2 raised to power x is equal to, let's reduce the 4 to base 2. So we're going to have 2 raised to power 2 or 2 square. Okay, now they're having the same base 2. Now we can do away with the 2, then we'll make use of the exponent, then we'll have x is equal to 2. All right, yes, that is it. So our solving in this index equation, our x is equal to 2. Yes, you can try to check it, all right, by fixing 2 in place of x. All right, thank you very much. Let's see number 6.